Okay, we're at the littlest dog park in Reno. And it's downtown Reno. Ooh, you can see the mountains and the snow back there. Brr. It's like 27 degrees when we woke up. Chick is freezing. Yeah, hi. And yeah, this is just right downtown. I think it's for, like all the travelers and apartment dwellers. Whoa, there they go. There they go. Okay, are you gonna herd those big poodles? Goofy dog. Alright, and now suddenly, let's see, I'm just 12 miles outside of Reno, and I'm basically in, I don't know, what would you call it, High Sierra wastelands, no man's land. It's just, I mean, to me, just where everything's brown, and after just being in like forest again yesterday, it's amazing. You can go, 30, 40 miles and be in a completely different kind of terrain. Consumerism, and just they want your money, they want your money, they want your money. Every little thing they can do to try to get your money and entice you. And I'm just not a good consumer anymore. Like, this country wants everyone to be consumers, and they want everyone to cash and trash their items. Buy stuff, throw it away. Buy stuff, throw it away. Buy stuff, throw it away. They don't want you to fix stuff. They don't make things to last long, because that's how they keep the economy going. They want you to work your tail off, stress out, and think you have to keep buying all this new stuff all the time. And I'm just totally... Okay, it's 2020, right? 2020. I feel like I can see clearly now. I can see clearly. Yeah, I'm not gonna sing for you, but yeah, I am not sucked in or drawn in by all of the tactics that they try to get you to be a consumer. I'm not a good consumer for them, but I'm good for the planet now. And I'm better for my pocketbook, and I feel like I'm not constrained by the pressure of having to compete and keep up. It's not an enjoyable way to live for me. I'm done with it. Alright, this is just for you sappy people out there. Happy Valentine's Day. That's as good as I can do. Sorry, guys. And oh yes, I did make an upgrade the other day. Instead of one funnel, I have two funnels now. One for the antifreeze and one for the oil. And then the other thing happened a couple days ago. So you notice my back tire is gone, and the reason it's gone is because I noticed it was really hanging out at an angle instead of straight up. It was at an angle, and I noticed my bumper isn't square anymore, and it's loose, and I don't know if you can see under. I'll try to just put the camera under it. So the welds on both sides are coming undone, and the extra weight of the tire was causing a problem. And I kind of need this here because I can't shut this all the way because of the modification we made to the propane tank, having to put a new regulator on there, and it was bigger than the old one, and I couldn't shut this anymore. So this is here to make sure the propane doesn't fly out. And so now this tire sits in my kitchen until I figure out what I'm going to do. So last couple days now, I have a tire sitting in my kitchen, and I have this extra propane tank that I found in Roseville sitting here because I haven't decided what to do with that yet either. So like I'm being like a weirdo pack rat picking up trash. But I went to a propane dealer. I took this in because I wanted to know if they could maybe, since this one, see, has the proper triangle valve. Mine is super, super old in the back. I don't know if you remember from the New Mexico video, but the propane dealership said it wasn't legal anymore and it wasn't safe. So I found this one in some bushes and I'm like, ooh, that's a newer one, and it has the triangle valve on it. So I took it in the propane dealership, wanting to know if they could make it to where it would be safe enough to use in the back here. But in the back, it lays on its side. It lays long ways, and it's a special propane. Like normal propane tanks, you're not supposed to have it laying on its side because it's not safe. Again, it's not safe. And so that one I found you can't use. The one I found inside, you know, those are like $70. The kind I need, I was earlier quoted in New Mexico about $450, and in California they said it was going to be like $700. So yep, that's what's happening. Happy Valentine's Day from me and my spare tire. This grows all over wild in California, and this was covering the sand dunes, or the dunes by the beaches in Trinidad. You know, thousands of these. So I pulled some and I planted it in here with my other little succulent. And these little rocks I'm driving around with, because right after Klamath, I pulled over at it. No, it was right after Trinidad. Since I'm videoing new stuff, when I was in Redding at the Sundial Bridge, I saw this canteen. It's stainless steel, but it's also got a plastic lining, but it's PBA free. I also got that at Redding. And then when I was down on the beach in Crescent City, it's kind of sparkles in the sun. I don't think you can see it, but it's kind of a crescent shaped rock that I picked up at Crescent City. And there was also a ton of redwood on the beach, so I picked that up too. Chick, quit making out with the redwood. Why are you so weird? Ah, you know he's attacking me. Ah! Alright, I don't know if that's going to show up much, but it's Valentine's Day, and I'm driving down I-80, and there's this, I'm not a Valentine's Day fan at all, and there's this town called LOVElock. Barf. But of course I have to stop. Heading northeast on I-80, still in Nevada.